Hello, and welcome to Spotlight Tech Tips, where we spotlight products, troubleshoot, share unboxings, and more. Today, we are unboxing the WIO system, WIO-B1T and WIO-B1R. WIO-B1T and WIO-B1R are two separate units. Opening the transmitter and receiver, they are both sealed in plastic, with hardware taped to the outside of the bag. WIO-B1T transmitter has a T printed on the body, while WIO-B1R has the R for receiver. Please note that the 3 screws for direct mounting are not removable. WIO-B1-001 is available with 1 transmitter, 1 receiver, 1 red module, 1 amber module, 1 green module, and a power adapter. Thank you for watching, and please consider following us on our social media channels for more Spotlight Tech Tips. Have a great day.